What is up, guys? Welcome back to Wrench Avengers. It has been a little bit, but today we're back to work, and actually we're working on the DD, the car that makes all the girls forget about their boyfriends. The Panty Dropper.
What's your name, kid?
The human
Wrench.
The human wrench. That's it? That's the best you got?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
The sum of $3,000 will be paid to the terrifying, the deadly, the amazing
Wrench Avengers.
My name's the human
Wrench. So the Panty Dropper has been leaking brake fluid, though I can't seem to find where the brake fluid is leaking from. So I just kept topping off the brake fluid, and that fixed the problem, right? Fixed, right? Till the brakes quit holding pressure at all, which I then decided it probably isn't fit for the road, and I need to fix the issue actually. Since nothing was holding pressure, I really thought it was the master cylinder. I thought it could be the brake booster, but after doing a little bit of reading, it really seems like master cylinder. So I went out to the old AutoZone and bought me a new one, and we'll be installing that. Alright, I think that might be the source of my problem. I found the, I'm gonna drip this everywhere. I found the seal that goes on the outside of here was stuck to it. I pulled that off and I dropped it, but it looks like something's been leaking past there, so hopefully this fixes my problem. Okay, so now that the old master cylinder is removed, it's time to get the new one ready to install, and that means I gotta bench bleed it. That's something I've never done before, though after looking it up, it's really not hard at all. But sadly, my piece of shit camera decided it was gonna corrupt the file of me bench bleeding, so instead of seeing it, you get to imagine me bench bleeding. You can look up how to bench bleed online. Eric the car guy has a good video on it and all that sort of thing, so it's not hard, like I said. So now that it's bled, it is time to install the new master cylinder. And that's pretty much it. It's a good idea to try to bleed the master cylinder after installing it. You shouldn't have to bleed your whole brakes, you know, at each corner and everything, because there should still be fluid all the way down to the calipers or wheel cylinders, and you shouldn't really have any issues there. But you may need to bleed the master by just loosening up the nuts that go into the master from the lines that go to the proportioning valve. You may have to bleed from there. Again, if you look up, I think Eric the Car Guy's video on replacing the master cylinder, he did that, and I don't know, it worked for me. So, because I didn't have to bleed anything, and I had perfect pressure, and the car's much better now. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. Let me know what you think in the comments. Ask any questions if you have any. Along with that, I've got truck videos coming up. Started working on the suspension for the pickup, and that's some really shitty work to do, but I've got it done. So video should be up hopefully next week, and if not that, it'll be the week after. So stay tuned, guys. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.